Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a SoFi account. First, navigate to the SoFi website or download their user-friendly mobile application. Once there, locate and click the prominent Get Started or Open an Account button. This action will initiate your account creation journey. Next, you will need to choose the specific type of account that best suits your financial needs, such as checking, savings, or investing. This initial step is quick and straightforward. The next crucial step involves providing your personal information. You will need to accurately enter your full legal name and your date of birth. Additionally, provide your current residential address and a valid phone number for communication. For security and regulatory compliance, you will also be asked to input your social security number. Rest assured, SoFi employs robust security measures to protect all your sensitive data throughout this process. Once your personal details are confirmed, it is time to fund your new SoFi account. You can easily link an external bank account, allowing for seamless money transfers. Another popular option is to initiate an ACH transfer or set up a direct deposit from your employer. For those looking to build savings consistently, consider establishing recurring deposits. This ensures your account is ready for use, whether for spending, saving, or investing. The final stage involves a quick review and confirmation. Take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure complete accuracy. This helps prevent any future issues. Next, you will need to read and agree to SoFi's terms and conditions, which outline the account's operational guidelines. Finally, confirm your application to officially complete the account setup process. Congratulations! Your new SoFi account is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.